Who left that over there? How do you wish? Slow down, bro. Yeah, jump up and keep you. Okay, Dumbo, let me push you. Hop in there.
No,
Then next you push me.
I push you, but I'm not gonna push me.
Bro, just imagine if I go over there and you push me down the hill, bro. You know how fun that would be?
Oh, that's kind of scary.
Remember that saying back in 2016, 17? No balls. No balls.
Oh, you're gonna come down this hill. Freaking, what you call it? You're gonna eat shit once you hit that curve right there.
No balls. Yeah, you actually lose your balls, bro. Bah! Where the fuck are my testicles? Well, they just stole the homeless's cart, bro. That has to be a homeless's cart, bro. Or is that Walmart? The cart? Run! Run, bro! Run! Run, bro! Run! Can you get off?
Yep, yep.
Wait, yet? It's a one seat, one driver.
Gentlemen first.
What?
Ladies first, mate.
Go on, go on. Go on, go on.
This morning that I can come in today and take my last day.
Never mind. Oh.
JR.
Order.
Are you drink one? No. We're not taking any
Boa cheeseburger.